right. Hey, everyone. I figured I would do a little live stream of me implementing inside of Pico UI. Let me share my screen. There we go. So I'm trying to implement analytics for Pages sites in the Pico UI. This is what I have so far. When you're viewing a project in the Pico UI, we are now showing analytics if you have analytics enabled. So here's where we're at right now. The current thing I'm implementing is being able to click on the top URL. So make this clickable, and then it just fills the search right here, and then you can click it and see exactly what URL is getting the top hits. So that's where I'm at right now. Jumping into the code. All right, so the big thing that I need to do right now is here, being able to click this. So if you click it, I need to pre-fill the search. So I mean, the easiest way would be to make it a React router link. But that's kind of annoying. Yeah, I can make it a button. That's also annoying because it doesn't style it the way I want it to. Let's just make it a link. This is a React router link. Pages detail, project name. That's not quite it because we don't allow search. So let me add search query parameter here. Equals empty string. Here we do search. Else. So if there is a search, add the search query parameter with the search here. Okay, so now when we go back, auto import link, and now we fill in the search, which is url.url. Format. I think we want to go a little bit further and encode code URI component. There we go. Okay. Let's see what happens now. If I click that. Hey, all right, sweet. So it lets you basically filter by the URL, and then you can click it and see the page that is the top URL. Perfect. That's exactly what I want. Nice. Okay. I want to make these buttons small. All right. Where is it? Here. Make them buttons. Do I have variant? Nice. I do variant small. Variant small. There we go. That's better. Okay. Maybe I should make these clickable. Might as well. Here we go. Link. Can I do ref? No. I don't even know if I can do that with link. Let's try it. Oh, we also, when we do search, we need to make sure we replace. Place. That way it doesn't keep popping search onto the stack. So if you go back, it goes to the previous search, which I don't think you want. All right, let's try that. Okay, so that doesn't work. It's got to be href, which is fine. I'm actually going to make this an external link, which is right here. Link, beautiful. Format. There we go. Nice. Oh, wait, that didn't work. Wait, what? What did I do wrong? Why wouldn't that work? Did I do this wrong? No. What? Let me refresh. Why is it doing that? It should not do that. It's just an A. That's a log. Yeah, why wouldn't that work? Maybe I have to add a HTTP. Oh, that's annoying. Because I don't know if it's HTTPS or not. Maybe I can do that. Does that work? Okay, so that works. Translate. Nope. Okay. I think that's pretty good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it's capped at 10, so that's pretty good. It'd be nice to add a chart here, but I hate adding charts because charts are like super heavy. I really don't like adding them into projects. I would much rather just build my own simple chart library, but maybe we can go even simpler than that. I could just do a ASCII chart where I find the maximum, the highest view count. The unique visitors are broken down by day. So I can find the max view count for the day for all the data and then set that to 100% and then do a ratio of everything else and apply pound signs, for example, as a ratio of the current day versus the max count for any day. And that would give you like a nice visual aid. The problem is like this is by day. So theoretically, you're going to have up to 31 of these. So it's going to push a lot of the content down. What would be better is if I could make it horizontal and then have the pound signs go vertical. That is a lot harder to implement. So that's not ideal either. I could put a fixed height on this and have a scroll, which I also don't love. Or I just bring a chart library in and call it a day. I mean, how hard would it be to implement the ratio item? It wouldn't be that hard. I don't think. That way you could get a nice visual of like, okay, hits per day. I mean, a line chart would be nice too. Just a super simple line chart, which I could implement. I mean, I've already built one before. I could just bring that library in. I could bring that library in and just see if it works. That's fine. I could try that. All right, well, first, this is pretty good. So I think I'm going to commit this and push it up. Here's this. So here's more analytics. I should make those side by side as well. Ideally, these could be clickable too. Yeah. Making those clickable would be nice. All right, let's go to home, summary analytics. Let's make these two a grid or horizontal. No, I want flex. No, group. Pretty good. How did I do it with pages detail? Flex one, flex gap. Okay, so just flex gap, and then flex one for both. Flex one. There we go. All right, that's pretty good. Still a work in progress. All right. Let's keep going. What else? Click this. Oh, that's interesting. Wait. This is StarFX prod. Oh, that's incorrect. Okay. I need to change that as well. Visitors. Interval title. Here we go. There we go. Much better. Cool. What's interesting is there's no URLs or refers, which makes no sense. Yeah, I think it's because I limit it. Yeah, I think I got to refactor the API to be based on project or post. Instead of fetching, right now I'm fetching, when I fetch the analytics for the month, it gets all projects in a flat list, and then I have to do a bunch of filtering to get it to work right. But I think what I'd rather have is an API endpoint specific to projects and blog. That way I can just fetch the data I need, and I don't need to fetch this big blob of analytics, and it makes the queries a little bit easier to manage. I think I'm going to do that. Okay. Well, this is pretty good for right now. I got it mostly working. I just need to update the queries to be less weird. So yeah. All right. Well, I think I'm going to stop the stream now. I don't want to do like 2-hour-long streams. That's just like, no one wants to watch that. But like a nice little 15-minute stream, yeah, you could pop in and scan around and just see what's going on. So I think that's how I'm going to do these streams from now on. Let's do short bursts until I get more, if I can get more people like viewing the stream live, then I can do more like chat engagement, and then that could be more fun and we can do longer streams. But for now, I think I'm going to just keep it to 15 minutes and just show like short bursts of what I'm working on and, go from there. So, all right, well, that's it. See you later.